is even Nubona Above Road by Omongase Market. Yes, if I see things that require or need the attention of the government, we know where to press the button. We call them to order. ASEPA are up to ASEPA are doing their bit. ASEPA are doing they are really trying because they ban war catch this stressful. Yes, or because they turn a produce in Abia, all the massive, all the mind blowing. So they are doing their bit at least. Doing achieving results. What are them? That's why due to the needs can be true for the film. It is possible. Some of this road they go say now this major 1 million so chic. But don't worry, so it can cost more money because everybody was here in a red mud. A really sharp sand, quite the feeling, quite the rolling. Well, whereas red mud is the more cheaper. Yes, red mud the more cheaper, but you cannot apply lateral. You cannot apply red mud now. Meaning is, ya miro to say fima agola. So only book a raka. So. To let our people know the difference between Ebe and Ebe. Let our people know what is also happening and where's and location where Ebe and Koma. You can also draw the attention of the government for them to know and also do the needful, because that is why they were elected. That is why they were voted for. Yes, to represent the state, to provide security and so many other social amenities in the state. Thank you guys. I'm gonna move to because Abia walam iba na Abia also na. Can make a change in location. I promise you guys, you will see me in another dimension. You will see me in another place. Trust me. Yes. I got home in another far place. Make I not tell you where I'm going to. Yes. We fly like kites. We are moving from grass to grace. And together we can be able to say, I am proud to be an Abian. I'm proud that I contributed my brother. I'm proud that I did my best. I projected my state to this great height. Yes, that is what we are doing. That is our target. That is what we are agitating for. That is what we are working towards for. Oh, Hebrew operation pull him down. He must be this. He must be that. If he's not come from here, he must come from that. If it is not my brother, if it's not from my relative, if it's not from my village, you are not only killing yourself, you're also killing yourself, because people won't even take you serious. Yes, nobody will take you serious. So I'm not going to that chair. Together we can be able to say our Abia state, our Abia no dey carry last. Yes, take that to the bank. The manga aboza na. I'm here as man name yesterday. Come branch ya. I been on live streaming, so come touch ya to here Umueze na. I have Umueze. Agawara teaching hospital. Yes. Yeah, most times I know to why about it to go. Sometimes we get information, we drop by to share with our people. Yes. Share with our people. Wasted knowledge. Because knowledge it will die with you. But the more that you share with the people will learn one or two. But people will also criticize. Yes, all part of learning. So many people that also criticize, at the end of the day, they will revisit those information. look at Shalom Road. This is Shalom Road. Look at how sexy and beautiful the stone base. You can see how sexy and beautiful with the double two-side drainage. All day. They have not been asphalted though. This is Shalom Road. You can connect it to Umuimo. Yeah, I can on stone base level because I make a now soil texture. So the engineers told me that I got happier so that I know some days I know that better test the soil. Kamaka mugenye otra ugenye ha ni diri.